Good evening. Today, 25th June 2020, me Ala Ghosh from Lavafara Media. Here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. COVID-19 West Bengal government announces extension of lockdown till July 31. The West Bengal government has announced extension of lockdown till July 31 to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the state. The decision was taken by the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee during an All India Party meeting at Nabanna in Kolkata. As per the Union Health Ministry, West Bengal has the total of 14,728 confirmed COVID-19 cases, of which 80 people have succumbed to the infection. Dilip Ghosh, president of BJP's West Bengal unit, Manoj Haldwar from Bahujan Samaj Party BSP, Swapna Banerjee from Communist Party of India, Pradeep Bhattacharya from Congress were among those who participated in the meeting. Here we will bring some more news. India-China hold diplomatic talks to ease border tension. New Delhi. India and China on Wednesday agreed that implementation of the previously agreed misunderstanding on the disengagement of troops from standoff points in eastern Ladakh would help ensure tranquility in the border areas, the Ministry of External Affairs said. The two sides held diplomatic talks through video conference to explore ways to ease tensions along the line of actual control in the eastern Ladakh region. The MEA said that the situation in the region was discussed in detail and the Indian side surveyed its concern over the violent face-off in Galwan Valley on June 15. 20 Indian Army personnel were killed in the clash. In this regard, it was emphasized that both sides should strictly respect and observe the line of actual control, the MEA said in the statement. It is said that the two delegations agreed that the expeditious implementation of the understanding on disengagement would help ensure peace and tranquility in border areas and the development of a broader relationship between the two countries. The talks were held between the Joint Secretary East Asia of External Affairs, Naveen Srivastava, and Director General in the Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs, W. Jiangao. The MEA said that two sides has also agreed to maintain communication both at diplomatic and military levels, including to resolve the existing situation. The talks took place 2 days after Chinese and Indian armies arrived at mutual consensus to disengage from all the friction points in eastern Ladakh. Here we will go with some more headlines. Railways isolation coach in Delhi gets first suspected COVID-19 patient. The New Delhi. The Railways modified isolation coaches parked at the Shakur Basti station here received the first suspected COVID-19 patient on Wednesday. Officials said adding around 15 more are expected to arrive. All of the patients have suspected cases of coronavirus, he said. Around 50 such modified coaches are currently stationed at the Shakur Basti railway station maintenance depot. Each coach has a capacity of 16 beds. First patient arrived at Shakur Basti Center of Railways in New Delhi. We are committed to provide all the necessary help in the fight against COVID-19, Railway Minister Piyush Goyal tweeted. Thank you.